بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. In this video, I'm going to present launch files in ROS. Launch files are very important, in particular if you have many programs to run. Imagine that you have several nodes and you want to run them. So what you have been doing so far is we open a terminal and we use ROS run to open every node in a separate terminal. This becomes really cumbersome when we have a lot of nodes to open at the same time. Fortunately, in ROS, there are launch files which allow you to define several nodes which can be executed all at once. So let's see how it works. Before going into the coding part, let's understand what is a launch file. So a launch file is nothing but an XML document which specifies a few things. It specifies what are the nodes that we will execute. It also specifies some of the parameters that we can collect into the nodes. And also, it can include some other existing launch files. In order to run a launch file, we can use the command ROS launch. Like we use ROS run for executing a node, we use the command ROS launch, that is a program that easily launches multiple ROS nodes that are defined in the launch file. And by convention, the launch file should have a .launch extension. Now let's go to the coding. I'm going now to show the importance and the usability of launch files over a simple example using the Turtle Sim simulator, but of course you can extend and generalize the use of launch files with any ROS node. So remember that we have the Turtle Sim Cleaner application that we have developed before, and now imagine that I would like to open Turtle Sim simulator. So first of all, I need to start with ROS core. This is the first terminal that we have to open or to start ROS core. And then I need to open a second terminal where I run the Turtle Sim simulator, Turtle Sim and then Turtle Sim node. Okay, so this is a second terminal. If I want to open a third node, for example, making the teleoperation of the robot, I need to open a third terminal using ROS run and then Turtle Sim and then it's Turtle teleop underscore teleop. This is the third node. So I can use the ROS to make it move. And if I want to open my own program, which is called Turtle Sim Cleaner, I need to open a fourth terminal, ROS run, which is now in ROS Essential CPP, and then Turtle Sim Cleaner.py. And now it's going to execute. After 2 seconds, it's going to go to this location here. So you can see I had to open so many terminals. And of course, if I have more programs to open, I need to open more and more terminals, which is very cumbersome and not very efficient. So instead of doing that, we can simplify the process by defining launch files. So let's see how it works. I'm going now to stop programs. Okay, I'm going just to move the turtle somewhere. I'm going to stop the whole programs. And instead of running 4 different nodes into 4 different terminals, I can define a launch file. So here we have a launch file called Turtle Sim teleop, which just opened 2 nodes. So we're going to open the Turtle Sim node and also the teleop node. Okay, so remember here we have opened the Turtle Sim node and we have also opened the teleop node. The launch file is actually an XML file that starts with the tag launch and will also finish with the tag launch. And inside the launch tag we can define several nodes using the tag node. And here the tag node, it has several parameters like the package name. Okay, so here we make ROS run, then we call the package name Turtle Sim. Okay, so the package name here is called Turtle Sim, and then the type is actually the node name. Okay, so the node name here is called Turtle Sim underscore node. So this is the name of the package, and this is the name of the node. Okay, that we are going to start, or the type of the node we're going to start. And here we can give a custom name. Okay, we can give a custom name. So let me call it Turtle. I'm going to call it Anis underscore Turtle Sim node. So this is the name of the node. When we execute the node, we're going to assign the following name. In the initializer, is going to use this name for the particular node that we will execute. Okay, and then in the same launch file, I'm going to start the teleop in the same way. We're going to use the tag node and then the package name, which is also Turtle Sim, and then the type of the node, which is turtle teleop key, which is this one, and then we're going to assign a name for the node, which is called turtle sim teleop node. Now, instead of running these 4 terminals, I can run these 2 nodes, okay, just by launching this launch file, turtle sim teleop _ launch. For this, I don't need even to run the ROS core, because when we use ROS launch, it's going to start ROS core if it is not already started. And then this turtle sim teleop.launch, it's defined in our package, ROS essential CPP. This is the name of the package where it is defined. And I define it here. So this is our Catkin workspace, SRC. This is ROS essential CPP. Okay. And then this is the SRC. In topic 2 motion, we have launch. Okay. And then we're going to start this launch file. So this launch file is actually belongs to ROS Essentials CPP. So now I'm going to make ROS Essentials CPP, and then I can see that I have many launch files. I'm going to use the one that I have just defined, which is called turtle sim teleop. And here it is going to start 2 nodes. So it has already started the turtle sim simulator, and in addition to this, it has already started the turtle teleop key. So we can verify that. Okay. You can see now I'm able to control the motion using the teleop. We can verify the name of the nodes using ROS node list. And you can see now the node Anis turtle sim _ node. This is the name of the node that we have assigned in the launch file. We can find it now in the ROS node list here. And also turtle sim teleop node. This is the other name that we have assigned to the node.